This is the Lamicall car tablet mount. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. This is for the headrest on the back of your car. Now, I like Lamicall products, and I actually have one that I'm using on my desk right now, so I'm interested to check this out. They're usually very simplistic, they're easy to use, they work, in my opinion. So we have some directions here, which I'm guessing we're not even going to need, because this is going to be a simple product it's going to work well. So here, open the box, get this piece, and one other piece. All right, so let's see what's in the bags. We have the actual tablet holder itself and the bar that's going to attach to your headrest on your car. Let's see how easy this is to put together. All right, we're going to unscrew this, and we're going to lose that, and then we're going to find it again. There it is. Take the threaded portion facing out. This is just going to pop right in. That's it. And screw it on. And there you go. Now I've got it on there. We can adjust it all kinds of different ways if you want. And you can lock it down with this thing. If you get a spot you really like, you just lock it down. Stick this into one bar, and this is retractable. So you stick it into one bar, pull this back, lock it into place, and you're done. How easy is that? So let's check out a couple of tablets here, see how far this thing goes. So here I got a Samsung. It's an old Samsung tablet. Nothing to it. There's a 5-inch wide tablet, holding that easy. Close to 8 3/4 inches. Nothing to it there. On that just holds that no problem. Let's try an iPad Air. You can see we got an iPad Air here. It's holding that up just fine. Here I've got a Samsung Galaxy S7. This is one of the smaller ones from a few years back. See how that guy fits in there. Fits great. I'm going to do a video to show you how easy this is to install. I forgot my camera stand, so let's see if I can do this one-handed. This says rubber on here. It says rubber on here, which is kind of cool. Protects it. Just going to slide that one into place. Get over to this side. Switch hands. Just going to push that in. There it is. Installed it one-handed. That's how easy it is. Look at that. That's on there. That ain't going anywhere. But yeah, pretty cool. Super simple install. I just did it one-handed on my car. The Lamicall headrest tablet holder. Super simple, super effective. Great for Uber drivers, moms with screaming kids in the back seat. If you're going on a trip, great for vans. All kinds of uses for this thing. Pretty awesome. Lamicall headrest tablet mount. Dig it.